Good afternoon and welcome to another edition of Hippie Christmas with Mr. Tie-Dye. So here's the Pride Flag Tapestry that I dyed last Wednesday. We're going to get this opened up here. Okay, looks like we got some nice good color down in there, so let's get this opened up. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's looking good. We'll get this washed and posted soon. Okay, and here's the one I've been waiting for. This was an inspired design from one of my meditations where I kind of seen a DNA strand and just kind of seen a way that I could actually tie this to get it to come out. So, but I haven't done one yet. This is the first one, so I'm excited to see how this comes out. So, okay, I'm liking the way it looks so far, so let's get this opened up. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I think I'm liking that. Alright, I'll get this washed and this will be one of the tapestries that's up for auction on this coming Wednesday. I will probably be making some changes to how I do my show, but these two tapestries I'll still auction off on Wednesday and then we'll figure out how to work the rest of it from there.